Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your phone number on Discord using your PC. With this new update, it's simpler than ever. So let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. The platform has a clean interface, making it easy to navigate. Next, look to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on the gear icon right next to it. This will take you to your user settings, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the settings page, check the left sidebar. Make sure you click on My Account if it isn't already selected. This section holds all your account details, including your phone number. Now, in the middle of the My Account screen, you'll see your current phone number. To update it, click the Edit button located to the right of the phone number section. A prompt will pop up asking for your new phone number. Go ahead and type in the updated number you want to use. After that, you'll need to finish some essential security checks to keep your account safe. Once you've completed those checks, Discord will send you a 6-digit code to the phone number you just entered. Type that code in when prompted. Finally, to wrap up the process, enter your password and click the Confirm button. And voila, your phone number on Discord is now updated. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Happy Discording!